What are Micron, Fusion IO, IBM, Intel, and Violin memory doing within flash storage? So all of these companies have slightly different twists, but they're all focused on highly deployable enterprise solutions. Each one of them has a particular vendor and process, such as E-Flash used by Intel. And each one of them is specializing both their flash chip production as well as the controllers that they're rolling out. So what we see out of Micron is an emphasis on PCIe cards and moving away a bit from SATA solutions. They've doubled down on the ability to do front panel connect for PCIe, which is part of the new MVNE solutions, and starting to use switch fabrics inside machines to get the power of PCIe at the same time as the simple interconnects of SATA. So those are guys who are working at very high levels of performance and, in my opinion, somewhat underrated in terms of the actual the use cases. What we see Fusion IO doing is increasing density. They're coming out with new cards that are still riding higher and higher densities, like their 10 and 12 terabyte releases. Same thing with Violin, who's also moving into the PCIe space and direct connect. So Violin used to be a company that really relied on their array solutions, which were shared between multiple machines, almost like a SAN. Instead, they're starting to move, in their new releases, they're starting to also be able to cover direct attach PCIe solutions, which are the kind of solutions you would use with Aerospike. Those are solutions where you do management at the server level with direct attach, so you still get the power of reliability, but the performance of direct attach. With Intel, what we're seeing is the expansion of their SATA solutions with the S3700. There were some issues earlier in 2013 regarding the availability of those solutions. Intel seems to be moving past those and has a very attractive solution at the $3 a gigabyte price point for enterprise solutions. They've tested very well with our systems and probably are one of the best SATA solutions there right now at the enterprise grade level. IBM is a bit of a wild card because what we're seeing now is they've announced a large multi-billion-dollar investment in flash. They've said flash is very important. They're going to be bringing out new technology, but the system, their releases have been a little light on details about exactly how they're going to accomplish that. In general, what we expect out of the market is, even though the last year has brought us a tenfold increase in better density and higher performance at the same price, we expect that to continue for the next few years. We're still in the Moore's law of component of flash, where prices and performance will continue to improve rapidly in the next few years.